So we're going to talk about another concept in orthopedics. Now, this is what is known as the APC. So this is like the anteroposterior compression injuries. Anteroposterior compression injuries. So for this group of injuries, what do they actually mean by this? So for the anteroposterior compression injuries, they are like a type of pelvic ring fractures. So they are caused by force that pushes the pelvis open from front to back, right? So like a book being prayed apart. So these injuries are most commonly seen in high energy trauma, like all those motorcycle injuries, or there's like head-on vehicle collision. All right. So what's the mechanism of injury? It's usually caused by external rotation forces applied to the pelvis, often resulting in pubic symphysis, diastasis, that's widening. Right? Can also have a sacroiliac joint disruption. So it could lead to like massive bleeding, right? Because a lot of blood vessels in this place will be like complicated. So for the classification, there's a classification system of it which is known as the Young-Burgess system. All right. So we have the anteroposterior compression injuries type 1. This one less than 2.5 centimeters pubic symphysis is widened, ligament stretched but intact. Stability, you are still stable. The type 2, it is more than 2.5 centimeters widening, disruption of anterior iliac, sacrotuberous, sacrospinous ligament. All right. Rotationally is unstable, but vertically still stable. All right. Then next we have the anteroposterior compression type 3. All right. So this one is complete disruption of anterior and posterior sacroiliac ligaments. All right. Hemipelvis separation. All right. So completely everything is unstable there. All right. So this is a Young-Burgess system of trying to classify these injuries. So can you see this? This is up. This one. That's a Young-Burgess system. So management for type 1 is often managed conservatively with bed rest, pain management, while the type 2 and 3 typically require what? Surgical stabilizations. All right. Plating, sacroiliac screws, and all of that. Then hemodynamic instability may require emergency pelvic binders. Then angiographic embolization. Complications could lead to like a lot of bleeding, right? Bladder or urethral injury, chronic pelvic instability, sexual dysfunction. So that's it for this part.